Hi, this is Lily and welcome to my page. It is always an honor and a privilege to have you join me, so thank you very much. Thank you. Happy Easter. Today's Good Friday. It is the 30th of March 2018 and I'd like to share with you what I believe Easter means. So I'm going to read something that I come across, but also firstly I want to share with you what a beautiful day it is. What am I looking out at? I'm up at a 2-story building and I'm looking at the view from my bedroom, and what do I see out there? I see some beautiful kids playing with their parents, and they're kicking ball, soccer ball, they're flying frisbees, throwing frisbees around, and you've got a little child who's just fallen over and hurt herself and the mum's picking her up. And I can see the birds flying around and the trees, gorgeous, the park, the people, the children, everything out there. It's just a blissful day. But that's not what I really see. There are things in our life sometimes that our circumstances are not what they seem. I have a video on that as well, if you've seen that one. We can change our circumstances. I am from a 2-story building and I am in my bedroom, but there is a beautiful park out there that cannot be seen because of the trees. I can only see the trees, the view of the street here. There's only houses on one side of the street, the rest are all trees, and it is a gorgeous view. There's actually no one out there though at the moment. It's a quiet, beautiful day. I've got my puppy lying right next to me, cleaning herself. She thinks she's a cat. And that's what I'd call a blissful day, just absolutely gorgeous. But how do I see Easter? I see Easter a year ago. What did I achieve from last year Easter? What did I say that I would change? And every Easter, you can change. You can make things happen for you. So the part that I was going to share with you today is you can change. From last year Easter to this year Easter, you can just make new goals or set new goals. And what is it that you'd like to change in your life today, that you'd like to see happen differently, or people you might want to forgive, or just being a different person in how you speak to others? Be kind, be more kinder, be more sharing, and be more grateful. So these are the things that I thought would be lovely to share with you today, and how I see Easter. If you want to make some changes, make it today, because today is Good Friday and the resurrection is on Monday. And I believe that changes can happen as long as you let God mold them for you, because sometimes you can't do things for yourself. You've got to let someone else do it for you. And I believe that God is that person, that God can do a lot of changes for you as long as you believe and trust. So here is the title of what I'm going to read. You can change. And this is found in Isaiah 64 verse 8. We are the clay and you are the potter. Ever watch a lump of clay being transformed into something beautiful? The clay can't change itself. The power to do that lies in the hands of the potter. We are the clay and you are the potter. We are all formed by your hand. That means you don't have to live the rest of your life with your phobias and your hang-ups. God can change you, even if you've been a warrior all your life. So, what if you were born in poverty or prejudice? You don't have to die that way. Where did you get the idea that you can't change? What's the source of comments such as, it's just my nature to worry, or I'll always be pessimistic the way I come from, or I'm just that way, or I come from a family of alcoholics and addicts, so I'll never be free? Would you make the same statement about your physical body? It's just my nature to have a broken leg. I can't do anything about it. Of course not. If your body malfunctions, you seek help. Shouldn't you do the same with your sinful appetites, sour attitudes, and selfish traits? What the world sees as rubbish, God sees as treasure. And like the potter, he can take you, mold you, and make you into a vessel of honor. All you have to do is place your life in his hands. We sing, "Have thine own way, Lord, have thine own way. Thou art the potter, I am the clay." When you stop trying to change yourself and surrender to God, true and lasting change takes place. Now that's beautiful, and I just really believe what's written here. We're from God's words. He wrote these words to say that he is the actual potter who's molding you. And if you want to be that person, this precious, beautiful person that you can be, then God is the answer. So whatever you take from the reading today, I hope that it will help you see some different light about what Easter is all about and why Christ died for us. He died. He gave his life up so freely that we have a purpose. Imagine if Christ hadn't died. We wouldn't have Easter to celebrate, and we wouldn't have Christmas to celebrate. I don't think there'd be much meaning in life without Christ. Do you? So thank you for joining me on my page, and I really would like for you to join me again on my next video. And the way to do that is to subscribe to my page and stay blessed. Take God's word, not mine, and use it. Be molded by him. So thank you again for joining me. It is a true pleasure to have you join me on my videos. And please subscribe to my page, and I see you again on my next video.